When we're camping in a small camper, our floors can get really dirty really fast. But using an anti-fatigue mat is a clever trick to solve this problem. Sometimes it's leaves that can get tracked in, and sometimes it's just mud and dirt. I keep this mat in the entrance of my camper, and most of the debris and dirt gets trapped in the holes, so it helps keep the rest of my floors cleaner. Look at all the dirt that it captured. But these holes, they just collect all of the debris, so all the dirt and everything doesn't get everywhere else in my camper. And it's really heavy duty, which also helps keep it in place. Yeah, it's never moved around on me. This rug has really been a game changer for me. And I like things clean and I like easy. Yeah, I love this. We don't have a lot of space in our small campers to store a lot of cleaning supplies. That's why Camp Suds is genius. Camp Suds is an all-purpose cleaner that can be used for washing your hands, doing your dishes, washing your clothes, or anything else washable. Oh, and you don't have to have hot water to use it because Camp Suds works in both hot and cold water. An expandable shelf is an easy way to double your storage space. And because they're expandable, they can fit tightly in a variety of cabinet sizes or areas where you need more storage space. So now I'm going to take the two pieces and put them together. These knobs here, they will expand it. Then on the other side, it's just a flat surface that'll sit up against the wall. And there's a soft padding here too, so it's not going to damage the walls. It's so easy to install. You just place the shelf in the position that you want it and then tighten the knobs. Feels very solid. Woohoo! I just doubled the storage space in my small cabinet. It also came with this plastic top that you could put over a portion of the shelf. I definitely think this expandable shelf is a winner. Storage bins are a small camper's help me keep organized best friend because they provide you with a place to store all of your gear. The cutout sides on these bins make it easier to grab things out, or you can use the handles to take the bin down or to carry it. And they come in a pack of 2. I can't believe all of the stuff that fit in here. These bins would be perfect for storing anything. And voila! Isn't that great? And then when I want something, I just pull it out, take whatever I want out. Oh, I feel so organized. Here's the thing. They are super duper absorbent. But take a look at this. They zip up in this nice little bag. And voila, there's the towel. And I gotta tell you, I'm not exaggerating at how fast they dry. I mean, they dry so much quicker than a normal cotton towel. They're nice and soft. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, they've got this nice little hook on the end, so it's really easy to hang them up and dry. Give them in a nice small bundle like that. Place them in their case and voila, zip them right up. That's it. Pretty slick, huh? Super lightweight. Oh, and they come in a variety of colors. This is a blue one. I was surprised at how big these towels are, considering they fit in that tiny little case. When we're camping in a small camper, it can get smelly inside when we cook a meal. So the best way to avoid stinky odors and greasy messes is to cook outside. But we don't have space for a big bulky grill. That's why I love my O-Grill. The legs are fantastic because they fold down, so it takes up less of our precious outside storage space. But the legs also allow you to set it on a picnic table or the ground, so you don't need to haul along an extra table. This grill has a cast iron grate to get those delicious looking sear marks. And is it just me, or does food always taste better when it's grilled outside? I've done a lot of camping, but it was early on when I first bought my camper that I heard of Happy Camper's odor-free holding tank treatment. It eliminates odors and I use it absolutely every time that I go camping. I really haven't given it much thought until this camping trip. I forgot to add it to my black tank when I arrived at my campsite this time. So after the second day of being here, it was like, something smells. And I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to add my Happy Camper's holding tank treatment to my black tank. And this is my bathroom. So if there's nasty odors in here, I'm gonna be able to smell that everywhere. Yeah, so that happened, and the smells weren't pleasant. It works. I didn't realize how well it worked until I forgot to use it. It doesn't mask odors with chemicals and fragrances, but it eliminates them. It liquefies and breaks things down. It does what we claim, or your money back. I like to think of this as a portable set of drawers that we can take with us anywhere in a compression packing cube. And there are two really cool features that I love about this. And the first one is how the dividers, or the drawer sections, help us keep our clothes organized so we can quickly find what we're looking for when we unpack them in our small camper. And our clothes don't just get thrown into a messy pile. I'll show you my second favorite thing about this coming up in just a minute. But this travel packing organizer was made to put in suitcases and for backpackers that would benefit from compressing their clothes down, making it easier to pack more clothes. Everything's so well packed and so organized. Okay, it's time to head on down the road, and I'll see you over at my campsite next. I'm at my camper, guys. The first thing I'm going to unpack is my clothes. Ready, set, go. In less than 10 seconds, now all my clothes are unpacked. Yes, my second favorite feature is that it comes with these hooks, so you can attach it to any rod. Whether you choose to use the hook or not, the beauty is you don't have to unpack your clothes. And they're neatly organized in drawer sections. When I want to get something out, I just unzip the drawer, take out whatever I want, and zip it back up. Has it ever rained? Or have the mosquitoes tried to eat you alive while camping in your small camper?
That's no fun.
But if you have a screen tent, you don't have to be confined to hanging out in your tiny camper when this happens. How long did it take you to set up your screen tent, Mary?
2 minutes and 1 second.
That's fast.
Yep. The best thing that I like about this is this screening that's on the clam. Look at how thick that weave is. No-see-ums can't get through here. Mosquitoes can't get through here. So when you are inside like this, you are relatively bug-free.
Yeah, and it comes with stakes, so it won't blow away in the wind.
It comes with a set of 4, but I've only got 3 of them here because one of them is at home. I use these all the time. I love all the different sizes. And then this is one that I brought food with me on this camping trip. This one's a big storage container. I love how small they are when they collapse. So they're not going to take up a lot of space in a small camper. Even the small ones are pretty good size. You can fit a lot of food in these guys. They're really nice to have on hand, so you have a storage container for all your leftovers, or for transporting food back and forth from your home to your camper.